Part 1. Personal information. My full name is Jennifer Alejandra Rodríguez Montoya. I am from San Vicente del Caguán, Caquetá, Colombia. I live in San Vicente del Caguán. My email address is alejandrarm0903@hotmail.com. I am a sales advisor and I am a student. I am 19 years old. I like to sing a lot of music, like romantic music and Christian music, so I like to read books of Mario Mendoza because he is a very good writer. I like to practice English by YouTube with Pacho Ochoa teacher and others. My three favorite food are sancocho, lasagna, fruit salad. My favorite movie is Trek because it seems to me a very funny movie and at the same time romantic and action because it has several scenes that allow us to demonstrate the aforementioned. My favorite book is Satanás by Mario Mendoza because it is an excellent work that is divided into 4 stories: the story of Maria, Ernesto, Andrés, y Campo Elías. The 4 very captivating, enveloping stories, but my favorite has been Andrés, since he is a painter who had a woman he loved, but she moved away from him, and after a while he saw her again, but she had SIDA, and after so many events he decided to be with her again. Part 2. Evaluating my abilities. Strengths. I can introduce myself in English. I can sing some songs in English. I can learn the letters very easy. I understand a lot of text in English reading. Weaknesses. I try to speak basic English, but I don't understand I don't have a good pronunciation. I need to improve my listening in English because sometimes I don't understand very good. I don't know how to write very good in English. I have Bible in English and I read it. I like to use the YouTube platform with Pacho Ochoa teacher, Rachel's English, and Kike Salas. They are excellent teachers. I sing every day some songs in English because I like the music and I want to improve my English pronunciation. I like to speak in front of my mirror because I think that I can to improve my pronunciation and my security. Thanks.